Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some trendy, everyday hair transformations, hairstyle ideas, options, and styles that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of doing something new and fresh with your hair, and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with long mid-back hair. And it looks like she's going to be doing the layered haircut trend for this one. This is a very popular style right now. A great way to add some overall shape and volume to your strands. Wow, look at that. She looks absolutely incredible. So if you're looking for a simple and chic modern way to shake things up, this would be a great hair trend to try out. Next up, we see someone with long, wavy hair. She has a beautiful natural texture. And it looks like she wants to go shorter. She places the hair into the ponytails and begins to cut. Wow, beautiful chic shoulder length bob style. And she also has some bangs with this particular look. Now, bob with bangs is a very popular hair trend for 2023. So this is another great option to try if you do want to go shorter and go with more with a classic hairstyle look. Very nice. So next up, we head with someone to the salon. Looks like she's getting some coloring done here. A little bit of a trim. the subtle highlights. Very nice. And then we see a platinum pixie style. She does have like that 90s mushroom bow shaped pixie with this particular cut. And then here we have another long to short transformation into a beautiful classic bob style. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.